Hey, good morning. Today we're making coffee in my Keurig. In my last video, I showed you how to fix it when no water comes out. Just take it out back and beat it. Fixes it. But today, it's on continuous water flow. Look at that. It just flows out without stopping. I don't see a lot of people with this problem. And the other deal is, so the water's cold too. So I used to make iced coffee. And it just runs like this until the reservoir empties out. Continuous running cycle. Here's what it does. All day long. You turn it off, close the door, just keeps running. Just like this. So I'm ready to throw this thing in the trash. What you gotta do is, I don't know, I just make a big mess out of this. Pour the water back in. Anyway, so it continues to pour and pour till the reservoir's out. So I'm going to show you how to fix this thing. Alright, so first of all, just unplug it. Just like that. We're going to wait about 15 or 20 minutes. Check out the time there. 6:45, just about. We'll come back and I'll show you how to reset this thing. Alright, so now it's 7:05, so it's about 25 minutes. What I'm going to do, I'm going to hold the power button down with one finger, and then I'm going to plug it in this way. There's no guarantees this is going to work, so let's give it a shot. Alright, so hold the button down, and then plug it in. Okay. It didn't work. So I'm going to try something else here. Hold it down. Okay. And then, come on, baby. You can do it. There we go. There we go. Look at that. It's heating up. Hold the button down. Get my camera. See what's going on. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Holy smokes. Ah. So I'm going to let this button go. Kind of nervous. There we go. Okay. Get my little K-cup. It's already got a hole in it. I'm going to put this down. And, come on. You can do it. Oh, it's not ready yet. It's heating up. So it has to heat up a little bit. Can I listen to that? It's heating up. I think it's going to be ready to go. Oh, come on. You can do it. Heat up. You have to be patient with me, okay? See, look at the clock here. It's still heating up a little bit. It's not pouring out, so that's a good sign. So I'm keeping this on continuous roll so you know I'm not cheating. Uh-oh, a little bit's dripping out. Up there. It's heating up. See if it's warm? It's not cold. Let's see if this works. No, not yet. It's still heating. You got to give it a minute. Uh-oh, it's starting to pour out more. See that? But it's not horrible. It's thinking about it. Come on. Stop heating. I don't know if this is going to work, you guys. Not yet. There goes the clock. You got to be patient. Bear with me. See if this works. See, it's heating up. Listen to that. Can you hear that? See, it's dribbling out there at the top. There we go. So the heater stopped heating. The water Stop dripping. See that just dripping a little bit? Here's the test. Close the lid. Look at that. It's ready to go. All right. And here comes my my watery cup of coffee, but just for demonstration purposes only. So that is how you fix this Keurig when it continues to pour out a bunch of water. Other people do this thing where they hold the button and they push, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's mumbo jumbo. I don't think that works. You just have to hold the button down and try to reset it. And there's my beautiful cup of coffee coming out. Look at that. Beautiful. Wow. Anyway, that's how you fix your Keurig when it's pouring out a bunch of water. Okay, so, hey, thanks for watching my video. Have a great day. Bye.